When it comes to working with children, the best laid plans can turn upside down on their heads literally in an instant. But to attempt to wrangle a group of children without a plan at all is a surefire recipe for disaster. You see, having a plan means you've got plan A, plan B, plan C, and plan let's throw everything out the window, abort mission and go and play chasey. Having all of your equipment ready and knowing what activities you're doing with the kids that day does not necessarily mean you've got a plan. It means you're prepared and you're organised. But how many times have you planned an activity that you expected to go for 15 minutes and the kids have lost interest in 5? So when you've got a plan, this means that your lessons are structured, the kids know what's happening each week, and everyone is on the same page. It does take a little bit of work at the start, but the long-term outcomes here are well worth it. Another bonus of being structured and having a great routine is you're really catering for those kids in the community that are anxious or nervous because they know what's going to happen next and everyone's on the same page. How much easier would coaching kids be if someone could just hand you a plan A, plan B, plan C? Or what if they gave you an entire list of fail-safe activities for when you need to abort the mission completely? It sounds pretty straightforward, right? And it can be, and that's where I can help. Being prepared and ready for anything, well, almost anything, is a huge confidence boost for anyone working with kids. The more people we can get putting their hand up to coach and help work with kids that are feeling confident about it, the happier and healthier we're all going to be.